expect mo na isang maganda at really quality game sa laban na ito.
Michael, binigay kay Jimboy Estrada. Beichong providing the pick. Roca Curva for 3. Yes!
Again, those are the actions, those are quality.
Nagawan sa bola, nakuha ni KG Canaleta. Takbo ang Binyan. Jimboy Estrada will finish.
The value of having a Pamboy Raimundo.
Coach Boy at si Coach Ginino Manansala. Mano.
And again, these are the bat.
Here's Jimboy, Pamboy, Raimundo. Back out to Jimboy Estrada. That's a 3. Yes! Coming off good execution. Coach Boyet mentioned about the outside shooting. You already have 2 threes here, and none about Yambing on that post move against Roca Curva.
The length and
Raimundo. Jumper from Pamboy is money. Raimundo, 3-pointer, and he knocks it down. And if you're Coach Boyet, you gotta be happy with your outside shooting so far.
Like na-report ni Sydney, talagang in-address nila ng maganda yan. This guy as well. 0 out of 8 from beyond the arc in their last game versus Nueva Ecija.
Paeng Are.
Top scored for QC in their last game. And alam mo yun, hindi mo ang hirap talagang i-block.
Mag-isa.
Yeah, to his left. Yeah,
that's
unstoppable there.
That's a good move.
Yeah, don't give him that left side.
Peña Redondo misses the 3, gets it back, will fire again. Yes!
Ito yung pinag-uusapan natin yung
at the end of the first quarter, it's 16 all. This end of the first quarter scores brought to you by GameX. The official strips, but a counter steal. And Tibayan scores.
Great pass there by Josan Nimes. Again, not giving up. Then this match is, after the first quarter, both teams 12 rebounds, both teams 12 assists. It's just really the 3-pointer of Tatak Gels.
Joseph Peña Redondo, that's his hot hand. They go to JR Alabanza, the extra pass. Jaymar Hempayan recovers and scores. Ito, new look din. Looking for a way through. Jaymar gives it up to JR Alabanza.
Now returning the favor of Manalang, which is his natural position.
Poy Aktob for 3. And the crowd comes alive para kay Poy Aktob. Pido has to fire. Wala. Hempayan with another rebound. And JR Alabanza gets the 2 points.
And it's big.
Looking for a teammate, James Mangahas.
Great ball movement.
Aktob for 3. Yes, sir! Poy Aktob brandishing that outside. Taken away by Manalang. Aktob has it. Poy. Bumuelo. Poy Aktob! He is back. Poy Aktob, 10 points. As Binyan builds a...
Ang pinaka-decent kasi talaga dyan, Cedel, dapat at least nasa 70 ka eh.
And Manalang makes him pay. 39-21. Quezon City. Halftime scores brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The first Nimes Estrada crossover. Pamboy has to fire, and that's good.
Pamboy.
Roca Curva on the run. Roca Curva off the glass and in.
Favorite move, the Roca Curva.
Pamboy out to Roca Curva. Kenny. What a move. That's a Manu Ginobili special.
Again, he...
Mag-isa inside, finally. Ends the drought. Almost 3 and a half.
Kung i-remember ko, doon na nagpumutok si Poy Aktob eh.
Oo, actually, Peñarredondo had
Two back-to-back three-pointers,
Oo,
di ba?
and then,
Points naman galing kay Peñarredondo.
Pamboy Raimundo knocks down the jumper.
Did Pamboy miss already?
Oo, Boy.
Great pass.
Roca Curva for three. That's short. Estrada with the rebound. And he gets it off the glass.
Oh, and that's gonna hurt.
Roca Curva, the extra pass. Pamboy Raimundo, Jimboy Estrada, pretty ball movement from Binyan, and look at Kenny Roca
That's a
Curva
layup.
go.
Resulting to a layup. At some point, it magbe-breakdown na yan si Delphi.
Oh, what a stretch galing kay J.R. Labanza, and talk about
Oh, exactly. Parang when we covered that game in Bataan and
back out to JP.
there you go.
Second straight triple galing kay Kawilan. Our end of the third quarter score is brought to you by Game X. The official
No go. Again, QC still hasn't find a solution dito sa depensa ang ginagawa ng
Labanza. Binigay kay Pido. JJ, the runner. Yes.
Ang medyo challenging.
That's a tough shot. Himpayan off the glass and in.
Oo, tapos yung kalaban mo makakashoot ng that's the second time already.
Manalang against Ballesteros.
Former teammates.
Robbie knocks it down. Gumagan yung galaw at shoot.
Oo.
Not Robbie though. Still
Yeah, imagine
1. And they've shot 4 of 31 from beyond the arc, make that 5 of 32. And
but still to no avail.
Paeng Are. Oh, basket and one, Paeng.
Oo, great defense there. A lot of time and pinag-usapan natin.
Coach Boyd Fernandez. Now guys, your thoughts on Robbie Manalang with a possible championship in the future?
And Beichiong
Good pass.
runs into trouble, and JJ Pido is there. .20 lead. Robbie Manalang for three. Yes, sir.
Oh, and I know he feels good about it. He feels good about himself.
Binyan will chalk up their second win.
Yung disiplina nitong team na to, kaya kahit sino ang gamitin, walang problema sa Delphi. And it's nice to see to witness this live, because I know after witnessing this, very exciting itong team Tatak Gel na ito.
Best player of the game is brought to you by Buenas Poy Poy Actub, sparking that second quarter breakaway.
Oh, you know, after playing well in that second quarter, creating that big separation, itong Tatak Gel team never looked back sa Delphi.
The final